Hello viewers and welcome back. Today I got here my 2023 Sur Ron Light BX and I'm going to be installing some high bars and some fresh grips. So let's get to it. You can go with some expensive Pro Taper bars. They'll run you about 120, 150 bucks. I got these ones off of Amazon for 50. I'll put a link in the description below. I am going with the Pillow Top Pro Taper grips. If I can find a link for these, I'll put it in the description below. The first thing I'm going to do is take my 4mm Allen key and my Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to remove the throttle, the brake levers, and the display. Now that I have the levers off, I'm going to remove the headset bolts, remove the bars, and slide off the throttle. If you do want the old grip off the bar, just take an airline, blow underneath of it, and it'll blow right off. Wow, would you look at that? That is quite the difference there. Can't wait to try these. Definitely a much needed upgrade on the Sur Ron Light BX. Okay, now I'm just gonna reverse the process. Slide on the throttle, reinstall the bars, reinstall the headset, tighten it down, then we'll do the levers and some grips. Big difference already. As you can see, I have my bars almost lined up with the front forks, slightly rolled forward. I'm going to give that a try for now, and I might adjust it later. Now I'm going to install my new grip. You can use a lot of different things to glue the grip on, grip glues. I like to use spray paint. It works good, and I always have it around my shop. Now that I have the grips on, I just need to reinstall the levers and the display. The one thing you do have to align properly is your throttle and your front brake here. You see how there's a flat spot on the front of the throttle? If it's not aligned with the brake here, the brake will hit the throttle and you won't be able to operate the brake. Here's a little tip to adjust your levers, guys. I like to put mine as far in as possible to prevent them from snapping off. when I drop the bike on the ground. I also like to align this dip right here with my pointer finger to make it comfortable to operate. I roll them slightly forward so that when I stand up on the bike, they're in the proper position. Well, okay, now that's quite the difference. You know, I was wondering if these bars were going to be high enough. Now I'm thinking maybe they're even too high, but I can't wait to get out there and give it a try nonetheless. Big change, that's for sure. No more leaning forward. Actually, sit back and enjoy the ride. And there we go. They do look a little silly right now, I have to admit, but they sure feel a lot better. Can't wait to get out there and give them a try. If you haven't done so already, check out the merch store and hit that subscribe button. This has been my high bar install on the 2023 Sur Ron Lite BX. Ride safe.